Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about exercise 1.1 of sets. In previous class, we just had a discussion of what is set and how we represent a set and the forms of set like tabular form and set builder forms and the concept of belongs to also. Let's go into the exercise 1.1. Here, what is the first question? So, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The first question, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. So, what are the months beginning with the letter J? We have Jan and June and July. So, these three are the months which are starting with letter J. So, we can set it as, we can say it is a set, because it won't be changed from your person to person and the definition should be same. And coming to the second question. So the collection of 10 most talented writers. So whether it is a set or not, I can say it is not a set. Why? Why it is not a set? Because 10 most talented writers of India may change, depends upon the person to person and time to time. If we think it is, if this question is in 90s, so at that time the writers, most talented writers will be having a separate list, and if it is 20s, some new writers will be there, and it may be changed from time to time, and it may be changed from person to person also. That's why it is not a set. Moving to the next question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. So this is also, I say, it is not a set. Why? Because it is also changed from your person to person. In my perspective view, top list would be different, like Sachin, Rohit, and Dhoni. So in some other point of view, it may be different, like Virat, Rohit, and Dhoni. So that's why it is changing from your person to person. So it is not a set. And going to the next question. The collection of all boys in your class. Is it a set? Yes, it is a set. Why? Because in your class, the students will not change. Okay, if anyone can't, it will be same for all. And the collection of boys will not, the collection of boys count will not change from your person to person. That's why it is a set. And going to the next question. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. What are the all natural numbers less than 100? Can we write? Yes. 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, so on, 99. Why we have written 99? Because it is less than 100. Okay, it is less than 100. That's why we just written up to 99. And what are the natural numbers? So natural numbers will start from 1 and end with the infinity in positive numbers only. So the collection of all natural numbers less than 100 is set. So it is a set. Going to the next problem. A collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. Is it a set or not? Someone says it is a set. Why? And someone says it is not a set. So the answer is it is not a set, because the collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand may be vary. Like if he writes more novels, so the collection of novels will be getting more number. So it is also changing by time period. That's why it is not a set. Going to next question. So what's the next question? the collection of all even integers. So what are the all even integers? So it is starts with 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma so on. So we can say it is a set. It is a set because it won't be changed from a person to person. So it is clearly like the elements will not change from a person to person. So it is a set. Going to the next question. The collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. Is it a set? Yes. Yes. It is a set because the questions will not change from a person to person in this chapter. And next one. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Is it a set? No. Why? No. It is not a set because the dangerous animals also varying by time period. So the collection is not fixed. That's why it is not a set. Let's go to the next question. Or the next question into let A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 and insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the blank spaces. What are the options are there? So if you see the first one, 5 is it in the set? Yeah, 5 is there in the set. That's why it is belongs to set A. And 8 is not there in that set. That's why it is not belongs to A. And 0 is also not there. That's why it is not belongs to. And 4 is there. That's why, 4 is there. So it belongs to A. And 2 is also there. So it belongs to A. And 10 is not there. So it is not belongs to A. Let's go to the next question. What's the next question? Write the following sets in rooster format. So we can call it as rooster format or as tabular format. So the first question is A is equal to X is to X is an integer and X is minus 3 less than or equal to X less than 7. So can we write A is equal to, so here the values, it starts from minus 3. So why minus 3? They said less than or equal to symbol. That's why it starts from minus 3, comma, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it is less than 7. What is the less than 7? 6 is up to 6. We can write the values. This is the solution for the above question. And go to next question. What's the next question? B is equal to X is to X is natural number less than 7. So how can we write this in tabular form? B is equal to set of natural number starts from 1, right? So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 because they are saying natural number less than 6. That's why we have to write up to 5 only. Okay. Going to the next question. C is equal to set of X is to X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So the sum of the digits should be 8 and we have to write 2-digit natural number. So if I write 1 plus 7, so it will get 8, right? So I can write the set with 17 because if sum is 8, what if I write 2 plus 6? It is also 8. So I can write 26. I can write 26, comma, whatever 3, 5, like 3 plus 5, you will get 8. So 35, 44, comma, 53, comma, 62, comma, 71, comma, 80. So this is the set we are having for the above question. So this is a solution we got for C. Okay. Going to the next question. So what's the next question? D is equal to X is to X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So what are the prime numbers do we have? Let's type few. 2, comma, 3, comma, 5, comma, 7, comma, 11, comma, 13, so on. So what's the prime number? The number divisible by itself only, and other than its number is 1. So let's do the prime factorization for 60. So 2, 30 and 2 will get 15 and 3, 5. So you got the value 2, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 5. So in the shape builder form, we have to write, in the roster form, we have to write the values as 2, comma, 3, comma, 5. Why we are not writing another 2? Because in previous class we had discussed, right, elements are not repeated in the set. That's why we have written one of the two only. Okay. Next question. So E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So here also we have to write E is equal to set of, what are the letters we will have? The first one T, R, I, G, O, N, and O is also O we have written already. So M. Next T also written already. Next I also written already. So E, comma, Y. So this is the set. In a set, the elements will not be repeated. Okay. Going to the next question. F is equal to the set of all letters. So we can write F is equal to set of B, and the second one is, what is the second one? E, and what is the third one? T, comma, R. This is the set we are having. Okay. Let's go to next question. So write the following sets in set builder form. So in previous question, we just written set builder form into roster form, and this question we are writing vice versa, like a set builder form. What's the first question? The first question is 3, 6, 9, 12. So let us take set A is equal to set of X is to X is equal to 3n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can write the same with x maps to x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to capital N. Capital N means natural numbers and n is less than or equal to 4. If you write any one of the value, it would be right one only. Okay, you can write any of the value. And going to the next question. What's the next question? Set of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So again, A is equal to set of x is equal to 2 power m, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the same way, you can write like this also. N belongs to n, and n is less than or equal to 5 here. So you can write any of the value, like any of the approach. Going to the next question. What's the next question? Set of 5, 25, 125, 65. So we can write A is equal to set of x is equal to 5 power n, where n belongs to capital N, that means n belongs to natural number, and n is less than or equal to 4. Okay. So this is the way we have to write set builder form. Going to next question. What's the next question? Set of 2, 4, 6. So A is equal to set of x is equal to n plus 2, where n belongs to w. What is w means? It is whole numbers. So starts with 0. Or we can write another method also, as like another sentence also, that is A is equal to set of x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to capital N. Okay, in both the way you can write the set builder form. Going to next question. So what's the next question? We have 1, 4, 9, 100. So can we write A is equal to set of x is equal to n square, where n belongs to capital N, n less than or equal to 10. So we can write this way. It is set builder form. If you place the value of 1, you'll get 1. Place the value of 2, you'll get 4. If you place the n value as 3, you'll get 9. If you place the n value as 10, you'll get 100. So this is the way you have to do set builder form. Okay. Let's go to next question. What's the next question? List all the elements of the following sets. Okay, it is also like roster format we need to write. So what is the first question? A is equal to x is an odd natural number. How can we write? So we can write A is equal to set of 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay, these are all the odd natural numbers. And going to the next question. What's the next question? B equal to x is 2, x is an integer, and it is between minus 1 by 2 to minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Okay, so we can write B is equal to set of, here itself x is greater than 1 by 2. So we are not writing minus 1 by 2. So after minus 1 by 2, what do we get? 0 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma 2 by 2, and 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, 7 by 2, and 8 by 2. Why we are not writing 9 by 2? Because it is x value is less than 9 by 2. Okay, that's why we are writing up to 8 by 2 only. Okay, let's go to next question. What's the next question? C is equal to x is 2, x is an integer, comma x square value is less than or equal to 4. If you see, x square is less than or equal to 14. So x square equal to 4. So x square is equal to, x is equal to plus or minus 2. So x range would be minus 2 to plus 2. So we have to write here as C is equal to, what are the values? Minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. So this is the way you have to write. And going to the next problem. What's the next problem? T is equal to x is 2. X is a letter in the word loyal. So the same type of question we have right in the previous question. So D is equal to, so the first word L, it's a word bow, and Y and A. So we are not writing this L. Why? Because it is repeated. In a set, elements are not repeated. Okay. Going to the next question. So E is equal to X is 2. X is a month if a year not having 31 days. What are the months we are not having 31 days? So January will have 31 days. What about Feb? Feb is don't have 31 days. And March 31, April having 30 days. June also having 30 days. September also having 30 days. And November are also having 30 days. And December we got 31 days. Going to the next question. F is equal to x is 2. X is a consonant in English alphabet which is precedes K. So what are the vowels we are having? A, E, I, O, U. And what's the meaning of precedes? So precedes means before K. Okay. If it is succeeding, that means after K. Let's write the values. F is equal to, so A is a vowel. So B is a constant. B comma C comma D comma E is a vowel. That's why we are not writing here. F comma G comma H, and I is also vowel. So we are not writing here. Next J, and they are asking precedes to K. That's why we just stopped up to here only. Okay. And going to the next question. What is the next question? Match each of the set on the left in the rooster form with the same set on the right described set builder form. So it is a matching type. So what are the matching? The first one, 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. which is equal to x is 2x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So these three, this is divisor of 6. And what about the second one? 2, 3. The first condition is x is 2x is a prime number and the divisor of 6. So these two only prime numbers in the left side. So it is matched with A. And what about this one? Mathematics. So check the elements in the right side. So here itself it is. And the remaining one is this one. So what are the options we have? The first one we have C. Second one we have A. For the third one we have D. For the fourth one, what's the remaining one? It is B. Okay, students, thank you. So, in the next class, we can discuss some introduction and start with exercise 1.2. Thank you. Thank you for watching.